Okay, I'm going to spring that trap. 1, 2, 3. Isn't that cool? That's how we catch birds to band. Stay very still. Getting seed all over the place. Oh good, he isn't banded. Means we can band him. And this is a male red-winged blackbird. See, this is not a fully adult one. This is one that was born last year. He still has some little black flecks in his red shoulder, and it's not as dark red as the totally adult male. But that is a male red-winged blackbird. Sombrero, and the number, his number should be 1412 is the prefix, and then 62127. So we'll call him 127. And that is a second year male. Red-winged blackbirds takes a size 2 band, which is this one right here. And this number is 1412-62127. That's exactly what we have there, 127. Now this is how we open the bands with special pliers. See how these go apart when I open the pliers? So now I'll do that. There. Now the band is opened. I put it in the front notch here, and it's ready to go in his right leg. Put that there and squeeze it closed, and he's got a little bracelet now for life. Isn't that cool? So that's how you band a bird. This is a federal program. The main bird banding laboratory is in Laurel, Maryland, and they have the master database there for all the birds in North America. And this is how we find out how long they live and whether they come back and where they migrate. We banded a yellow-headed blackbird here several years ago, and it ended up in Guadalajara, Mexico. Isn't that amazing? Yeah. So this bird's all ready to go. Got a nice shiny new band. Time for him to fly away. Okay, are we ready? You can stop biting me and fly away if you'd like. He got out of here. All right.